ইংলিশ স্পোকেন তোমরা সবাই লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা দিয়ে দাও। ভেরি কোল্ড, ক্লোজ দ্য উইন্ডো, গিভ মি রেজার, টেক ইউর আমব্রেলা, গিভ মি শার্পনার, থ্রো দ্য বল, ফাইন্ড মি, ওপেন দ্য ডোর, ওপেন দ্য উইন্ডো, wash your face, brush your teeth, drink the water, put the toy in the box, take the toy, don't go to the hot oven, don't read the book in a dark room, don't cut the print paper, don't push the door, don't sleep on the floor. Bring my umbrella, don't sleep in the classroom, don't run, don't cross the street, don't sit on the old chair, don't draw a picture on the wall, sit on the new chair, don't touch the hot pan, don't put the shoes on the table, don't talk, watch out, come early, don't move, don't be shy, this is a dirty shirt, wash the shirt, dry the shirt, wear the shirt. How are you feeling today? I am feeling great today. Are you working tomorrow? Yes, I have working tomorrow. What time did you wake up? I woke up at 7 a.m. How was your lunch? My lunch was delicious. Are you free this weekend? Yes, I am free this weekend. Did you finish your work? Yes, I finished my work. Don't cry. Don't shy. Teacher and student English conversation. Student, good morning, ma'am. May I come in? Teacher, good morning. Yes, please. Come in. Why are you late today? Student, sorry, ma'am. There was heavy traffic. Teacher, please try to be on time from tomorrow. Student, sure, ma'am. I would not happy again. Teacher, did you complete your homework? Student, yes, I did. Here it is. Teacher, good. And remember, there's a test tomorrow. Student, okay. Ma'am, I shall revise everything. Teacher, that's the speed. Keep it up. English spoken. I get up at 6 a.m. The train leaves. Lipa looks very beautiful. Rani goes to school. I don't like tea. He takes milk. Draw a straight line. Don't run. He has just gone out. The clock has struck 10. I have cut apples. I have never known him to be angry. Have you ever been to Delhi? I received his letter. Where did he learn? I was listening to the radio. I have never known him to be angry. I have a bike. She likes tea. He drives fast. They watch TV. The car is blue. We study English. She feels tired. He opens the door. The flowers bloom. The bird flies. I see the moon. She smiles often. He eats breakfast. They go to school. The clock ticks. We love summer. The phone rings. She draws pictures. He wears glasses. It smells good. Believe me, call me back as soon as possible. Give me a hand. I don't understand. I don't mean it. How much is it? How was your weekend? What did you say? What do you need? What do you think? What do you want to do? What's the weather like? Where are you going? Is all good? Is everything okay? What are you doing? Absolutely not. I have no idea. I agree. I am at home. Is on the tip of my tongue. Is okay. Get up, brush your teeth, have a shower, have your lunch, go the homework, go to bed, go to school, put on your dress, open your shoes, keep your shoes out, have dinner, wash your mouth, look at me, look here, take carefully, do it carefully, write neatly, don't touch the page while writing, write cleanly. Don't use the eraser. Hold the pencil. Be careful. Be brave. Be still. Be quiet. Don't be late. Don't talk. Watch out. Come early. Don't move. Don't be shy. Be afraid. Be giddy. Be silent. Keep quiet. Calm down. Get up ready. Don't quarrel. Bring my umbrella. Give me eraser. Give me sharpener. Conversation. Rina. Hi, Tina. It is you. Tina, oh, how are you? It's been a long time. Rina, I am fine. What about you? We last met during the board exams. Tina, I am good too. Rina, what are you doing now? Tina, I have started my undergraduate studies in English honors at Xavier's College. Rina, you finally got to study the subject you love the most. Tina, too, what about you, Rina? Rina, I took up history honors in Lady Shirampur College for Women. Tina, that's nice. I am so happy. Rina, yes, I am so happy. Tina, yes, sure. We have a lot to catch up on. Rina, bye for now. I have to pick up my sister from tuition. Take care. Tina, bye. We'll see you soon. English conversation. Tina, hi Tina, it is you. Tina, oh, how are you? It's been a long time. Tina, I am fine. What about you? We last meet during the board exams. Tina, I am good today. I am good too. Tina, what are you doing now? Tina, I have started my undergraduate studies in English honors at Xavier's College. Tina, you finally got to study the subject you love the most. Tina, too, what about you? Tina. Spoken English. I am going now. Will you accompany me? Where are you going now? The man is sleeping. What a wonderful land it is. How happy you are. How cold it is today. You are a liar. We have won the match. I shall go to market. Bimal has a storybook. We can do this work. Go there. Raja plays football. No man can do this work. He has no enemy. He is not faithful. I am all right. Her little head is bare. His father beat him. She has let her matches fill in the state. Pluck out my other eye and give it to her. I don't know what exactly he is. A few years in the field will cause you to change your opinion. A very good way to learn. Please tell me about them. I have got a headache. You better go back to bed. What made him wait for it? How are you? I am fine, thank you. What's this? This is challenge. How old are you? I am 27 years. How does it taste? It's delicious. How do you do? Pleased to meet you. How about you? Not to go. What time do you close? I close at 8 p.m. Where are you from? I am from Kolkata. When will he be back? He still be back in Smuletes. I eat rice, she sings well, she runs fast, they play football. He reads book, birds fly high. He eats, cats drink milk, fish swim fast. He loves music, she likes tea, they eat together. We go home, you speak well, she dances well, she works hard. We match TV, I am proud, I am optimistic, I am shy, I am luck. I am excited, I am okay, I am sorry, I am busy, I am sociable, I am happy, she is tall, he runs fast, they are here, we like pizza. It is cold, she has a cat, he is a doctor, the sun is bright, I love music, the dog barks, she sings well, he drinks coffee, the baby sleeps, the bus is late, she wears his hat. I have a bike, she likes tea, He drives fast. They watch TV. The car is blue. We study English. She feels tired. He opens the door. The floor is blue. The bird flies. I see the moon. She smiles often. He eats breakfast. They go to school. The clock ticks. We laugh summer. The phone rings. She draws pictures. He wears glasses. It smells good. Believe me. Call me back as soon as possible. Give me a hand. I don't understand. I don't mean it. How much is it? How was your weekend? What did you say? What do you need? What do you think? What do you want today? What's the weather like? Where are you going? It's all good. Is everything okay? What are you doing? Absolutely not. I have no idea. I agree. I am at home. It's on the tip of my tongue. It's okay. It really takes time. It's for he best. No, I don't want see you, so I do. I declined. See you next time. What is going on? When is the train leaving? Where are you from? I just made it. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Follow me. It's very thoughtful of you. তাহলে এখানেই শেষ করছি।